If you are looking for a recipe to wow your family, or if you're going to a potluck and you want a dish to win the crowd, man, this dish is gonna be so good for you. I'm gonna show you how to make the best coconut rice ever, and I'm gonna show you all my tips on making the rice super fluffy and good. The recipe actually comes from a book by Lisa Bryan, one of my favorite YouTubers out there. She is such a cool lady. I love. The first thing we're gonna do is gather all our ingredients. We need 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 1 1/4 cups of water. We need 1 tablespoon of honey. We need 2 cups of long grain white rice that is rinsed and drained. And we need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm reading the directions out of her book, so we're just gonna follow what she says. In a medium pot over high heat, we're gonna stir together the coconut milk, water, honey, rice, and salt, and we're gonna bring it to a boil. Now, once we bring it to a boil, we're gonna reduce the heat to low and add a lid and simmer for 12 to 15 minutes so the liquid is absorbed and the rice is tender. Now we're gonna remove the rice from the heat and let it rest covered for a couple of minutes. And here's my tip. I feel like leaving the rice out and not disturbing it or touching it for a whole 30 minutes is going to help you have the best fluffy rice. You take the lid off, you let it air dry, and then you kind of let it do its thing. And I feel like that gives me the best fluffy rice. Don't touch it right away. I know people just want to go for it and eat it right away, but if you do that, you're gonna have mushy rice. Trust me on this one. Let it sit for a sec, or maybe 30 minutes, and you're gonna see your rice being nice and broken apart and just so good. We're gonna do a taste test. Oh my gosh, you want some? Oh my gosh, this is so good. I cannot wait to eat this with my husband. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you did make the rice after all. I'm so excited that I get to share this with you because it is so good. Lisa, this is one heck of a recipe. So grateful that you made this book for all of us to have so that we can make really nourishing, beautiful recipes for our family. And that is it, my friends. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need to know how to cook the best rice of their life. I love you so much. I hope to see you very soon, God willing. Adios.
Oh, hi, puppy. Hi, do you want rice? No, I'll never give it to you. Ever. Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Come here. I'll give you everything. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, come on. Oh, hello.
High five.
Yeah, good boy.